Also in your crime alert, we have details on a barricade situation in Conway earlier this week. Horry County Police say Prentice Stanley barricaded himself inside a home on Highway 548 near Conway. Police were called to that home just before 7 Monday, where Stanley was inside with a rifle. The report shows he was threatening to hurt the people inside the home. Negotiators eventually got him to leave that house, and police found a loaded rifle in the garage. He's now charged with assault and battery and criminal domestic violence, out of jail on a $16,000 bond.